Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below to subscribe to my channel. That way you receive all the information on what you need to do to win big in government cleaning contracts. So I was talking about GSA, and GSA is General Services Administration, and actually winning a contract. Now, I want to make sure that I emphasize that the GSA is a tricky little task to actually get on the schedule so that way you can actually bid on cleaning contracts. There are quite a few requirements that you must meet, and one of the requirements is making sure that you've been in business a minimum of 2 years, because the government wants to make sure that you have two things set up: that you're financially sound and that you have the actual workers to do the work that's required. So they do not want to set you up for failure. So there are quite a few other set-asides and contracts you can actually go after. But when it comes to GSA, if you do not have at least 2 years minimum of being in business, they highly suggest, as a requirement, as a matter of fact, that you actually do not apply until you've been in business for 2 years. So if you do not have that, then make sure that you revisit going into having GSA contracts and winning GSA contracts once you've been in business for 2 years or more. And tomorrow I will go into more that once you've met that basic requirement, you are registered in DUNS, you have your EIN number, your SAMS registration and a great profile, your capability statement, and you have your DSBS, which is your dynamic small business search. You have that profile set up. Then I'll go into more because now you've met all the basic requirements to actually get started winning those GSA contracts. So I'll look forward to seeing you again soon. Until next time, take care. This is Mrs. M. And if you'd like to know more about government contracts and how to win big, then make sure you register for my Government Cleaning Contracts Masterclass. How to win big with government cleaning contracts. I go into this and so much more detail and everything you need to do to actually get the basic requirements, to get set up, to understand the proposal process, how to, market to government buyers, and so much more. So if this sounds like something you'd love to learn and get started in government cleaning contracts, then register. The event is live and I look forward to seeing you there. Just click the link below to register and we'll look forward to seeing you. Until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.